everyone, welcome to another insightful video from Postnetwork Academy. My name is Bindeshwar and today we are going to learn how to compute quartiles using a simple data set. So grab your notepads and let's dive right in. For more resources, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can also visit YouTube channel for more videos, Facebook page and LinkedIn. Here we have frequency distribution that provides us with a set of data values. The goal is to compute the values of the quartiles. So there are three quartiles, so we will calculate Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now again, observations are 20, 30, 40, the same observations I have written here, and their corresponding frequencies. And if you add all the frequencies, you will get 543. Now to calculate quartiles, we will require cumulative frequencies. So third column is the cumulative frequencies. So you will calculate, like first element you will write, thereafter you will add 61, so you will get 64. Thereafter you will add 132, so you will get 196. Thereafter if you add 153 to 196, so you will get 349, and finally you will get 543. Now here let's start with Q1, the lower quartile, which is the point where 25% of the data lies. We will use formula Q1 is equal to n upon 4. So when you divide Q1, when you divide n by 4, so you will get 135. So see that here cumulative frequency just greater than 135 is 196, and the corresponding value of the variable is 40 here. So Q1 is 40. Now let's see Q2. So basically this is median. So we have to divide n by 2. So we will get 271.50, but this is a frequency, so we will take integer. So cumulative frequency just greater than 271 is 349, and the corresponding values of the variable is 50. So 50 is Q2 or middle quartile or median. Now let's see Q3. So we have 3n upon 4, that is equal to 407.25, but we will consider 407, and cumulative frequency just greater than 407 is 489, and the corresponding value of the variable is 60. So Q3 would be 60, and it means that 75% of observations would be below Q3. So 25% observations are below Q1, 50% observations are below Q2, and 75% observations are below Q3. Again, 75% observations are above Q1, and 50% observations are above Q2, and 25% observations are above Q3. So you can have an idea about how data is distributed if you find out quartiles, and it also helps to understand skewness of data distribution or frequency distribution. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content from Post Network Academy. Thank you for watching and keep learning.